Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming here today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 83 Canterbury Street in Worcester, apartment 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the first floor. And I'm just going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place I can from the video, as well as just pointing out a lot of the stuff that comes with this place. So you're going to see that this is pretty much a full renovation with the walls and trims painted. So you're going to see fresh white paint throughout. Looks really nice and bright, and goes good with the hardwood floors, which are in really good condition too. You've got the heating vents on the floor. It's a forced air heating, and all the details for the utilities are in the listing description. And you're going to see, if you've seen other apartments in Worcester, this double parlor room setup where it's kind of like either like 2 living rooms or a living room and a dining room, depending on how you set it up. But they're both pretty big enough for like a sectional couch and an entertainment system. Having the dining room table, a big one. And over here, this is the first bedroom. So this is right off the dining room, if you have it as that. And you can see there's these nice windows, let a lot of light in the room. And the fresh paint in here too, like the other rooms. Nice hardwood floors. This one actually has 2 closets. So it's got this closet that kind of goes into the wall here, and another one which is more like a standard size for the closet. And it's got everything on that one. So that's the first bedroom. Then you come in through here, and this is how you get to the rest of the apartment. So coming through the kitchen, you got the nice vinyl floors in here. And then back there are the other 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a pantry kitchen. And these have the nice big windows as well, letting a lot of light in. And it's a gas stove. It's a gas stove with the range hood and a nice big fridge right here. Coming over here, this is the pantry kitchen. It's got these washer and dryer machines. Now these are not included as inventory on the lease. They're really just offered by the owners. They were here from the last tenant. We tested them to make sure that they're working and everything. So this would be, if you wanted these, we can keep them. If you want to have them removed prior to moving in, you're more welcome to do that. It just means that if they broke or something, you would have to be responsible for replacing them. It's just the hookups that are included. But also that means that if they would be yours, so if you wanted to take them when you leave the apartment, that's fine too. Then coming over here, this is bedroom number 2. About the same size as bedroom number 1, maybe a little bit bigger. It only has 1 window, the other one has 2. It's only got 1 closet, the other one has 2. But it's still a really nice size, and it's a little bit more square. It's easily big enough for like a king, maybe a king size bed, depending on how much space for other stuff, but definitely a queen size bed and like a desk / dresser setup. And you can see the white paint, the fresh white paint in here too. Also the doors in this place were painted too. And then over here, this door just goes out to the back hallway. And then this one's what's it called? The bathroom. So you got the bathroom with fresh paint on like the trim and stuff, and the tub is in really good condition. The medicine cabinet here too. Little closet for the bathroom with these shelves. So lots of good storage space. It's actually a nicely sized bathroom. Then you come through here, and this is the final bedroom. If you've seen a lot of 3-decker apartments, the whole layout's gonna be similar, but this is a kind of a thing that is a little unique to this apartment. I don't see this that often, but it does have this little off room from this 3rd bedroom. So if there was one that was going to be kind of a master, it'd be this one. But yeah, there's a little room right next door. And this is the size of this one. It's about the same size as the other 2 rooms. And that's going to do it for today for this tour for 83 Canterbury Street, Unit 1. Please refer to our website, nexuswor.com. You can go to the for rent page or the vacancies page. That will have the full list of all the apartments that we have, and the option to reach out to a leasing agent if you are interested in setting up a showing, or if you just have any questions. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.